I'm Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing a unicorn by a waterfall like this. So first you draw something like this. And then you draw its ears. All that is a triangle. And then you have to do a triangle inside it. Then do the unicorn's mane at the front. Then do its horn. Then add a mane at the back. Now add its nostril and a little smile. Do its eyes. All it is one big circle, a teeny tiny bit little circle like that. And then colour in the back. Add something at the top. Add eyelashes if you want. Then you add its body. It'll look like that. Then add its legs. You could do it like standing up straight, or you could do it like standing up on its hind legs like this one. I mean this way, like this one. Then do another one on the other side, so it's the other one on the other side. Colour the hoofs in. Colour the hoof at the bottom in. Do the body on the other side. Do its bottom. Before we do the legs at the bottom, let's do its tail. It'll just be like a horse tail, like that. But you may want to add some decorations to it. Now all we have to do is do two bands like that, and then do its legs like that. Connect it like that, and like the other one we do the hoofs at the bottom. Now all we do is the other leg. Just repeat the steps, but remember that half is coloured by the other. Remember it's hoof at the bottom. Now you could add some decorations to its body. I'm going to do zigzags on the legs and some love hearts and some stars. Now, if you want, you can add some wings. The wings would be like this. You can do hands down if you want. lines down if you added some wings. All you have to do is colour it in. This part I will fast forward, but if you want to copy it, you could pause the video at the end once I show you. If you want to copy the colouring, just pause the video and copy it now. Are you finished? Okay. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Just like that. This is Nikki signing out for now.